wants a flavor with flavor. Good food and good vibes. We doing it major. Pull up a seat. Bring your
Okay, y'all, so I'm doing chicken and steak tacos, as you already know. So let me go ahead and start seasoning my meat so that I can go ahead and get this marinated. It is currently 2 o'clock right now, so I have time to let this marinate for about 2 hours before I start cooking this. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to go in first with some olive oil. Then I'm going to go in with just a little bit of this adobo sauce. I don't really want the peppers, just the sauce. I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime to each. So I'm going to add in the juice the juice from a lime to my chicken. And then the juice of a lime to my steak. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a little Worcestershire, however. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Worcestershire sauce. W sauce. And it's just for my steak. That's it. And now we're going to add in the seasonings. I'm going to marinate the chicken first. Or mix the chicken first. Okay, now I'm going to do the steak. Now I'm just going to add the lids, and I'm just going to let this marinate for about 2 hours. It's going to go into the fridge until I'm ready to cook it later. Alright. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to cook the chicken because that's going to take the longest. So I already had my skillet heating up. And now I'm going to go in with that chicken that we marinated earlier. Okay, so I do have my eye on medium-high heat, and I am going to cook the chicken 5 to 7 minutes per side, okay? So that's about a good 10 to 14 minutes in total. And then I'm going to let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so now I'm about to cook that steak. So I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil, and I have a couple tablespoons of butter. My pan has already been heating up, but I'm going to let this butter melt first. Okay, so I let my steak sit out until it got to room temperature so that I wouldn't shock it, okay? And I'm going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so my steak is all done. Now I'm just going to remove it from the skillet, and I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes before I cut it. Alright, so I got my chicken and my steak all cooked up. Okay, y'all, so now I have finished with everything, but now I need to do my tortilla shells. So I have flour tortilla, and I'm just going to pop them over this open flame here, just like this. And I'm just going to let that roast a little bit, and then once I finish with this, I'll come back and show you how I assemble my tacos. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and assemble these tacos. So I'm going to do 1 steak. I'm gonna do one chicken. I'm gonna do one combination because I'm greedy like that. So one's gonna have chicken and steak. Okay, y'all, so my sound literally went out while I was recording. I didn't even know until I pressed the camera off and went back to watch that clip. So I had to finish the ending of this video with a voiceover, and all you see me doing is just adding some cheese to my tacos, some mango pico de gallo that I had made earlier, along with a cilantro lime sauce. If you guys want to see how I make that, please leave a comment below. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. And always remember to stay favored, stay flavored, and stay cooking with love. Until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching this.